Okay, good morning, students. And using this online facility, we all are here to conduct our next class for the Python. And today's topic is the statement flow control. Okay, so let's proceed. Let me write it. Statement flow control. Okay, statement flow control. Okay, so that is our topic of discussion for today. Let me tell you what is this. In a program, statements may be executed executed sequentially, selectively, or iteratively. Okay, so in a program, statements may be executed sequentially, selectively, or iterative. Whether these are the three what is the categories of the statement flow control. So what does it mean? It means how the program is going to be executed. A statement flow control means how the program how the program is what we say going to be executed how the program is going to be executed. Okay, so that is what we say uh, statement flow control. So in a program, a statement may be executed sequentially, selectively, iteratively. So let us see what we say the first one. What is that? And what is the first topic? Let me write it. First topic is sequence. Okay, sequence. Okay, first topic is sequence. So what is sequence? The sequence construction means the statements are being executed sequentially. Let me write. It means the statement. It means the statements are being executed. What do we say? Sequentially. What do you mean by sequentially? Okay, sequentially means line by line. Because one statement is executed, followed by the second, followed by the third. That is, it means the statements are being executed sequentially in its first time. Okay, and another way we may say it refers to the what we say normal. It refers to the normal flow of control. It refers to the normal flow of control. So that is all about the sequence. Now, we will see using the what we say some practical example of it. Now, come to the next second one. So, what is second that? That is selection. Okay. What is selection? Okay. Yes. So what is selection? The selection construction means the execution of a statement depends upon a condition test. It means the execution. It means the execution of a statement. It means the execution of a statement depends upon a condition test. It means the execution of statements depends upon a condition test. If the condition is true, one set of action is executed, otherwise the next. Let me write it also. It means if the condition is it means if the condition is true, then one set of action will be executed, 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 executed. Otherwise, otherwise, another another set of another set of what do we say action is taken. So that is all about the selection. It means some condition will be there, and if the condition is true, the value is true, then the first portion of the coding will be executed, and if the condition is false, then the second portion. After the else portion, we are talking about the if else. So after the else portion, the second portion will be executed or entertained. So let me go to the next third one. Okay. So what is the third? The third one is what we say iteratively. Okay, iteratively. Okay, so what do you mean by iteratively? Iteration means the repetition. Repetition of the task. Okay, repetition of the same task. If you keep on doing the same things again and again, so it is an example of what we say repetition or iteration. It is also known as what we say looping. Okay, it is also known as looping. And what does it mean? It means repetition. It means the repetition. Okay, it means the repetition of a set of. It means the repetition of. It means repetition of a set of statement. Repetition of set of statements. Okay, depending depending upon a condition. Condition was the test. Okay. So what do you mean by iteratively? Iterative statements. So looping. It is also known as looping, and it means repetition of set of statement depending upon a condition test. So in Python we have two looping tools, and what they are. The first one is what is the for loop. We will go through in detail in our next classes. Okay, and the second one is the while loop. While loop. So, students, let us see all of these topic sequence selection and iteration using the what we say Python program. Let me show you the window Python. Okay, here we are. So this is a screen of the Python window, Python 8.3.8.5. Okay, and now we are just taking a new page, and in that first what we will see, we will see the first one, that is what is a sequence. Okay, so what we will see first, let me write it here. Sequence. Okay, sequence. So what I have to do. Okay, so this is a normal what we say, normal flow of control, simple flow of control, and in a sequence it is done. Programs are the what we say programs are executed in a what we say sequence. Okay, programs are executed in a sequence. For example, suppose if you take A equals to 10, B equals to 5, C equals to 3. Okay, now you will going to print simply with the message sum of A and B, sum of A and B. Okay. Save, control plus S, the shortcut is and table number. Suppose P dot Py here it is already there. P dot Py already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes, of course. Why not? Yes. Now press the F5. Okay, let's see. Sum of A and B. There is a simple example of this. What is the sequence? The programs are executed in a sequence. Okay. So students, now come to the next one. Let me write it also. Second one. That is what is the selection. What I have told you about this selection. Okay. What is selection? Okay. So it means the execution of a statement depends upon a condition test. It means the execution, okay, execution of a statement is dependent, okay, dependent upon condition test. Okay, so with the program we will see that what is selection all about. So let me type a what is a question for this, and that is write a program, okay, to find what is a greater of two number. Okay, which one is greater? Okay, so what you can do is, suppose we have taken a equals to 10 and again b equals to 5, and if I write if a greater than equals to b colon sign, this is again the header section. As I told you in previous classes, header section. This is header section. Okay, this is header section. Okay, a greater than equals to b colon sign, then just simply print it here. A is what we say greater. A is greater. Okay. And in else question, the fourth question, what are you going to write into here? That B is greater. B is greater. Okay. Very good. Okay, that's it. So control S, CTRL-S in order to say F5 is greater. Okay, very good. It's running. Why? Because we have given a condition here. What is the condition? The condition was that you have to check that a greater than equals to b. It means 10 greater than equals to 5. So 10 greater than equals to 5. I think this condition is true. You all are agree with me? Okay, thank you very much. So that's why we are getting this a is greater. Not if we are just going to change the value of b to 50. Okay, from 5 to 50. This is the new value of b. Now see, what will be the answer? Okay, it means in this what we say type, it is going to check this whether 10 is greater than equals to 50. I hope you all know 10 is greater than or equals to 50. True or false? Definitely it is. What is false? So it will print B is greater. The first one is the true portion. This is the true portion. If this condition is true, then it is going to print this. Okay. And in this particular condition, which condition? This followed by if. If this condition is evaluated to false, then this after the else block, this portion is going to be executed. That is B is greater. So that is all about the what we say selection. So we are in the middle of this topic. Okay. So statements in Python, the statement flow in Python. Sorry. So the statement flow, first one is the what is a sequence. In a sequence programs are what is executed, and second one is the selection. It checks the condition that if the condition is true, so it will execute a set of action, first set of action. If the condition evaluates to false, so it will what do you say execute the second another set of action. So that is all about this. So coming to the last, that is third one. And what is that? Iteration. Iteration, also known as what we say looping. Okay, and what is the looping all about? It is repetition. Repetition. Okay, repetition. Repetition of what we say. Repetition of repetition of task. Repetition of what we say task. That is looping. Okay, so we have to what we say for and while. Using for and while we can just perform looping in the Python. Okay, so let's take one example. Suppose write a program. In short, I'm write a program that is okay. Write a program to what we say print number from 1 to 10. Write a program to print number from 1 to 10. So that's the student. How we can do it? Let's take for. Take any variable a. In range is a function. Okay, range function that is having a two parameter. First one is what is the lower limit. Suppose we have to start with 1. So we have put the lower limit 1, comma upper limit minus 1. It means we have to print 10. It means we have to take the upper limit 11, upper limit minus 1. Then colon sign. We will just what we say go through these topics for while in detail in coming section. This is one example. Okay, so don't be worry about if you're not getting it properly. Colon sign in order to what do you say get it as a header section. Okay, hit enter key. Now just print a simply control S F5. Yes, 1 to 10. Okay, so this is the example of what we say looping, repetition of task. What we have written here for a in range is a function. It has two parameters here. First one is the lower limit, that is 1. We have to start with the 1 and up to 10. So upper limit minus 1. That is why we have taken 11. By default, it increases what we say 1 in what we say initial value. So that is why it is printing a. First of all, the value of a will be 1, and the next step, what do we say? The value will be incremented by 1. It will begin 2, likewise 3, likewise 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and afterward, what do we say? The looping. Afterward, the condition will be false. So the looping will be what is the ended. Okay. So that is how we have learned today the what do we say type of flow control, statement flow control in the Python. That is sequence. Okay, followed by the selection. Okay, that depends on the condition whether it is true or false. If it is true, one course of action will be taken. If it is false, another course of action will be taken. And third one is the what we say iteration, means repetition of the same task up to a certain condition. Okay, I hope this topic is clear, and thank you very much. All the very best. Stay safe. God bless you. Thank you.